Hello, everybody. This is Lolita from the Philippines. Here with me today is
Jaira. Hello, everyone.
Hi. Now, in this video, let's learn some CVC words having this sound. But before we proceed, let's try to know what CVC stands for. CVC are words that are created using a consonant, vowel, and a consonant. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now, the sound is like you're a bit smiling. Eh,
Eh,
eh.
eh,
First, we have et,
at,
et,
at,
et.
at,
Words like bet,
bet,
good, get,
get,
jet,
jet,
let,
let,
met,
met,
net,
net,
pet,
pet,
set,
set,
vet,
vet,
wet.
wet,
Another, we have n,
en,
n.
en,
Words like ben,
ben,
den,
den,
hen,
hen,
gen,
gen,
men,
men,
pen,
pen,
ten,
ten,
yen.
yen,
Another we have ed,
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 ed.
ed,
Words like bed,
fed,
fed, led,
led,
med,
med,
ned,
ned,
red,
red,
ted,
ted,
wed.
wed.
Hey, good job! Now, JJ, can you read it once again?
Yes, sure.
Okay.
Eh, ek, bet, get, jet, let, met, net, pet, set, vet, vet,
Good job. Another.
en, ben, den, hen, gen, amen, pen, ten, yen, ed, bed, fed, led, med, ned, led, ted, red.
Good job. Oh, good job, good job. And that's it. I hope you learned something from us. Again, it's Lolita. And
Jaira.
until next time, bye.